student. Today we will discuss about the poem Be the Best. So take out page number 105. Okay, and here I just explain this poem in an easy way. So listen this video carefully and try to understand this poem. Okay, Be the Best. The poem is written by Douglas Malloch, who was born on 5th May 1877 in US and died on 2nd July 1938 in US. Douglas Malloch was an American poet, story writer, short story writer, and editor. Okay, Be the Best by Douglas Adam Malloch contain 4 stanza. Stanza 1, stanza 2, stanza 3 and 4. And each stanza contain 4 lines, as you can see. 1, 2, 3 and 4. And you can also notice that many word is taken here from the nature: hill, pine, scrub and many other. The rhyme scheme of this poem is ABEB. Now, what is the meaning of rhyme scheme? The meaning of rhyme scheme is the order pattern of the rhyme at the end of the lines of the poem. So, from now we can start the poem. In the first stanza, if you can't be a pine on the top of the hill, be a scrub in the valley, but be the best little scrub by the side of the rill. Be a bush if you can't be a tree. Okay, the poem Be the Best teach us a very important lesson of our life. The title is enough or sufficient for anyone to understand the concept of the poem. The poet here just want to tell us means tell the reader, okay, that whatever you want to be or whatever you can be, just be the best one in that field. Means you can be the best person or get the best success of your life on that field which is chosen by you. Okay, and here the poet starts the poem by giving example of nature, as I told you already. He says, if you are not able to be pine on the top of the hill, then what? He says, if you are not be able to be pine on the top of the hill, then just try to be a scrub. Okay, just try to be the scrub, which is little elevated grass, but you must be the best scrub by the side of the stream. Okay, for example, here I am just giving another example from my side. Okay, for example, if you can't be the boss of an office or an company, then just you can try to be a worker, but the best worker of that office. That is your success. Okay, so in the next line, the poet again teach us to be the bush. Okay, if you can't be a big tree, then just beat a little grass. Means If you are nothing, then you will try to be a something, because something is better than nothing. So here I just stop the video and class, and the rest line will explained by me on your next class.